Okay, I don't know about you guys, but to me, it looks like on the charts, Soundhound AI is making or about to make another big move. And I want to share with you guys what I'm seeing on the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do with Soundhound AI stock. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on, guys, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, cheers to that. That's the best deal on the market right now. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And now we have about 5 minutes left in the session. Let's see how Soundhound does and how it's been doing today, what I'm looking to do, the whole 9 yards, guys. So Soundhound AI is up 1% as of now, trading roughly at $20 per share, and we've been chopping around all day between $19 on the low to about $20.30-40 at the peak, which is kind of where we were all of Tuesday. Yeah, that was Tuesday, right? I'm losing track of the days here, guys. The holidays, the days off in the middle of the week. You know how that goes. But yeah, I think that was on Tuesday. We held roughly 19-20 bucks that day, and we did it again today. We held that spot 19-20. So in other words, guys, we're consolidating. And in my opinion here, guys, we're getting ready for another big move after a pretty healthy pull down in the stock. We've come down from $25 to roughly 20 bucks right now. Earlier today we hit 19, so we were down about 24%, slightly in correction territory. And guys, I'm noticing some signs here on the charts that are pretty bullish. I'm actually seeing a bit of a bullish divergence here on the RSI. I mean, do you guys see that? It looks pretty pretty interesting here, bullish divergence. So I'm noticing that, and of course we're not fully breaking out yet, right? But we're seeing the initial signs, the bullish divergence. We're breaking out into close right now. We were red earlier, now we're pushing green. And if you guys take a look on this 5-day, 5-minute chart, the channel I just drew out, we're still very much in this downtrending channel. So for a reversal, for a breakout, we're going to have to take out 21 and preferably, guys, $21.50, $22, and maybe even higher, preferably, right? So I'm going to set my alerts right now, $21. I'll do another one at $22.50. Let me do that now. And that will alert us if, big if, Soundhound AI breaks out of this channel. If so, guys, gear up for another leg up, at least in my opinion. Of course, nothing's guaranteed here, guys, in the stock market. If somebody tells you something's guaranteed in the stock market, turn around and run. Run in the other direction. Get out of there, right? So, yeah, nothing's guaranteed, but man, this stock is hot, right? It's been hot, and all we're getting now is a cool off. Let's see if it gets hot again, right? Let's see if we get another big move. As we've covered before here on the 4-hour chart, we're very much still uptrending overall. Yes, we are slightly under the 50 SMA here, a little bit, right? Slightly, but not by much. And okay, if we do slip under 20 bucks again, 19 into the 18s, all right, maybe a bigger sell-off could be around the corner. Maybe down to about 13, 14 bucks again. That's possible, guys. It could happen. Stocks that go up a lot, they could come down just as fast. You got to realize that, but we're not quite there yet. We're not really getting a sign of us going down to 13, 14 of that bigger sell-off, which, again, we'll see if we break $18, $19. That could be... And there goes the closing bell. That could be the signal we're going lower if we break 18, 19. But right now, we're looking good. We're holding steady on the 1-hour chart. Let's see if we can retake 21, 22.50, and start going even higher. And like I said in my recent Soundhound video, guys, I'm not looking to buy long-term shares here. I'm not a big fan of not the company per se, but the valuation. I think the valuation is just a hair too high. Maybe more than just a hair. Honestly, I think it's pretty frothy right now. But as a trade, I'm all over it, right? I'm all over it. It's got high short interest. The chart still looks pretty decent. We just have to wait for the confirmation. Again, my alerts are set $21, $22.50. Cheers to that, man. And by the way, guys, did you know I have an email list where I send my top 3 stocks every Monday for free? And I do it I send it to over 2,000 people. Check it out. Link down below. Put your first name, your email address, and boom, you get those emails, guys. And I think Soundhound, no joke, I definitely covered it in a video a couple of months ago. We covered that yesterday. For sure, we covered it on videos, but it might have been in an email as well a couple of months ago when I first started sending emails out. Something newer for me. I mean, I started back in August, and quite frankly, I should have been doing this, sending emails out, building an email list, but yeah, better late than never. It's been fun, guys. So if you want to be a part of it, get those weekly emails, check it out. Linked down below. But yeah, that's a quick breakdown on Soundhound. It's a pretty good day overall. 1.6% green day officially as stocks. The market just closed. So let me know what you guys are doing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm actually super curious. That's my breakdown. And as the markets just closed, guys, we might as well take a look at these indexes here. We had, excuse me. Oh, man, excuse me, guys. Probably shouldn't have drank a carbonated drink right before making this video, right? But where was I? The indexes. The Russell, I'm not sure if you guys saw, but it was up close to 1% earlier in the day. And guys, it only went up 0.07%. So the Russell gave back all of the gains essentially, barely went up. It lost all the gains clearly. And the S&P, Dow, and the NASDAQ all went down on the day, about a quarter to about 0.3%. You guys see here on the intraday chart on SPY, we downtrended all day. Same thing on QQQ. You guys see that, right? Dow Jones, you name it. We sold off all day, and the VIX went up over 3%. Pretty decent green day. Not that we want to see that, but decent green day on the VIX, up around 3%, and the VIX has been creeping up over the last couple of days. As you guys can see, 5 days ago, it was about 14 points on the low. Now we're pushing 18. Earlier today, we were pushing 20. So, yeah, VIX heating up as the new year just started. And, man, there's a lot of craziness going on. Not that we're going to get deep into it, but there was an attack yesterday in, Bourbon Street, right? Crazy attack there. Wasn't there another one today in New York City, right? Trump's getting in office soon here. There's a lot of uncertainty to start the year here, guys. Not saying that's trickling completely into the stock market right now, but who knows? I mean, hey, got some volatility to kick the year off, and we're going to monitor it here over the next couple of days during, before, after the inauguration, kind of how that goes. We'll see how that affects things. I don't know. It might not do anything for the stock market. Probably not. It probably won't do anything, but we'll still see how it goes. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious where your head's at. Are you, cautious buying stocks right now? Are you buying, just like the regular program? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're so close to 50,000 subscribers, guys. I can taste it. We're so close. Make sure to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, guys, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, if you ask me, man, that's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.